Hi, I'm Jason, sales manager here at Roywood Transits. Today I'll do the sales walk around video for you for the Ford Tourneo Allied Independence RE behind me. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, Ford Tourneo, short wheelbase. It's the Allied Independence converted new on the Motability scheme. It's a full history. October 18 on a 68 plate. Finished in a very stylish chrome blue. 2 litre Euro 6, a ULEZ compliant, turbo diesel. Lovely low miles, 18,500 miles for you. Serviced and prepared here. The wet belt, the cam belt has just been replaced as well, so maintenance all up to speed. We'll have a printout from Motability as well. This is the RE model, so low floor cutout. Quite rare, this one. You've got 3 seats in the front, 2 seats in the second row along with the wheelchair, and then 2 seats in the third row, which tip and turn they're called. So I'll move out the way so the chair can go in and then come down. So being the RE, short single piece ramp. So low floor, so taller wheelchair occupants. Switch for the front restraints. Soft start winch controller. Rear restraints for you. Chairs up in the second row between the 2 second row seats. Lap and diagonal seat belt for the wheelchair. And we've got tip and turn seat. One I've left tipped and turned, and one I've put in the travel position. So you genuine 7-seater plus the wheelchair. 6-speed manual, giving you the side wheel arches and the 17-inch alloys. Front and rear parking sensors, as you see there. Plug your smartphone into the dashboard. You can use the apps off your phone through the van. It's a nice feature. Aircon, heated driver's seat, heated outside passenger seat. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Dashboard computer control along with the Bluetooth control. Volume control, speed limiter and cruise. 18,509 on the miles, so lovely low miles. Again, full maintenance, cam belt just been done for you. If you'd like any more details or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest. Thanks for watching. Take care.